Hello guys, welcome back to Apprentices Club. Today we're going to solve another tutorial name called full parameters, like how to find a parameter easily with the fall parameters. So in this video, we would like to walk through fall parameters, an open source tool for a penetration testers and bug bounty hunters that help to discover a hidden get or post parameters in website. Whether you are new to a web security or looking a sharpen in your bug bounty workflow, this tool can save you hours of manual testing of website. So, what you would like to learn in this? What is a full parameters? Is Why it is useful? How to install a fall parameters? And running your first scan on the targeted website, you'd like to use advanced features like crawl mode, headless, a browser, custom head, post, request, parameters, length filters also. So you can also integrate with the file parameters with the tools like FOF or Bubsuit or a deeper testing. So real bug bounty use cases where parameter discovers are more matters and you can get a lightweight bounty. That's it. Now let's we would like to walk through here. So we would like to come back here. So this is the targeted file parameters our repository. We would like to try to open the terminal. Now we just type here as a git clone and paste this repository. Now we have done this file parameters. Now just type list minus a go build main.go. Now it will try to take some time for building this one. S- So it's already done. Now our next target is we would like to look here. We would like to try here as go run main.go. And you just type here as minus minus help. So where we would like to look here, minus u for a targeted URL, minus c for a crawl, minus h for a headless. Now we would like to try here. Now we would like to look here. The same thing we would like to try here as minus u. Then I would like to present my targeted URL. I would like to enter here as hacker1.com. Then crawl headless. That's it. Now, this will go for a for parameters to get the right parameters here. Now, it will take a little bit lengthy time process to uh, crawl the targeted website and do the headless injections and everything. We would like to wait for that. Now, it was started. So, it may take less than 1 minute to crawl everything and find the latest parameters to get you the bounding. We would like to wait for here. Now, in the next case, we would like to try here. So we would like to wait for this. Then later we would like to go further. So where we have got it here. Now you just type here list minus air. Now we would like to type here as parameters.txt where we have find the right parameters all. That's it here. Now, if you want to try, you can look here. There is, let me just type here as clear. We would like to look here as a word countless parameter meters.txt. We have got a 297 parameters. Now, if you want to try with another targeted website, here is your choice. You can enter any other targeted website. Let's say you can enter here as a try hack. So that will save entirely in one targeted results here. So it may also can take the long and lengthy time process. You can also filter the parameters. You can look here, 2334. Now we can look here word countless parameters.txt. Uh, the old one is automatically deleted, but you just need to move the old file into in a new location. That's it. Then you can try to utilize that parameters using like Archon or HTTP parameters injections to find the right parameter ID to get the reversal. That's it. So you try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.